Wolo Express. Wolo, the first company to design and sell ABS train horns, has a new universal flat rack design that makes installation easier because the horn requires less mounting space than other styles of train horns. Wolo Express has 3 black trumpets that are made of reinforced ABS plastic, producing a sound that is just plain outrageous. The trumpets can be separated from the mounting base for installations that have limited space. Built in rugged to withstand the toughest roads and vibration with a heavy-duty steel mounting base that has a powder coat black finish. Wolo Express requires an onboard air system. Check out Wolo's selection of high-pressure onboard air systems such as models 840, 858, or 860. Wolo Express comes with a built-in heavy-duty electric solenoid. Choose from either 12 or 24 volt. Wolo Express comes with all required mounting hardware and 10-foot of 1/4-inch OD nylon high-pressure hose to ensure a professional installation. Important, always use ear protection when sounding. So if you're looking to install a loud, powerful train horn to your vehicle, go no further. Wolo Express is the horn for you. They will hear you before they can see you.